You no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah. What they want telling me could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my happy no wrong. But it rush.
Good morning, guys. Got the workout in. What I didn't show was that I did an hour on the treadmill and then an hour with my strength training. It felt good. Felt good to lift heavy because I haven't lifted heavy like that in a long time. I just took a shower and guys, I had to wet my hair because my hair was looking like day 5 and I did it yesterday. And that's from using the mousse, as you guys saw, and the gel from the Dew. I don't know if it's because of the climate, because my face is peeling as well. I don't know if you guys have been seeing that in the vlog. I don't know if it's because of the water, and I have oily skin. The fact that my skin is drying out and peeling, I don't know what's going on. And then the fact that my hair isn't lasting, I don't know what's going on either. I just wet my hair to apply the gel. I'm just gonna use the gel by itself now. So I can't give you a review yet because maybe there's a lot of factors that play into how my hair held up. So let's see. So I'm just gonna apply the gel only. I'm sure there's still some form of product left in my hair, but I wanted to start semi-fresh. But so far, this is not beating neither of my routines. I have 2 solid routines now. I shared one with you guys. I have to share did I share the other one with you guys? I probably did. Look at this. This don't make no damn sense. Why is my hair almost 6 inches already? I just wanted to leave the house looking fresh, you know? On today's agenda, I booked 2 appointments. One is a waxing appointment and the other one is a massage, a deep tissue massage that is well overdue and well needed. I have an hour. I'm gonna eat something real quick and then head out the door. The place is about I saw it when I was exploring, so it's not that far away. And I'm in better spirits because a couple minutes ago I was crashing out. But I'm good now. I'm good. Just know the island life, even though I'm not there, it's stressful as hell. I have to learn to relax in environments or situations that I cannot control. I just hate stupidity. I just hate when things aren't done how they're supposed to be done and you have to do other people's jobs. That grinds my gear and I need to work on it because I get too worked up. I know myself and I take accountability for a lot of things because I know myself. So even if you're telling me something about myself, I know. It may or may not be something that I'm working on right now, or I'll probably work on it later. I feel better now because I'm gonna get the kitty. And then I'm gonna get a I'm so excited for my massage. I don't think you guys know how excited I am. But let me go eat some leftovers. I survived, barely. That was hard. And she cracked jokes at me though, but she was funny as hell. So I went to the European Wax Center on Peachtree Street Road. That was crazy. I don't think I have a high pain tolerance, but she went to work. Kitty cat is balling right now. Okay, where should I go? I have an hour until my next appointment, which is a massage. And the massage place is somewhere around here too. I love this area. I'm happy I chose this area. It still hurts. I can still feel it. She said she's been waxing for about 12 years now, so very experienced, especially for my inexperienced self. And she just made me comfortable, very comfortable. Love that. So it's right here. This is the street that it's on. Let me try to find exactly where the place is at first before I start walking around so I can gauge my time better. I just found out that the park is nearby. I walked down the street and this is a pretty good strip. There's a bunch of restaurants on this strip. I don't think it's a supermarket exactly, but it's a corner store. Thank you. Because I still haven't gotten any groceries. So I'm just checking out to see what they have. I'm not really much of a snacker. Oh, okay. I don't see anything that I care for here. Looks familiar. Yes, it is. I remember here now because I remember this Taco Mac. I ate in there before. Yes, I remember this area. That means the train station is nearby. I remember here too. Oh, I mean, of course, not all the stores when I lived here would be here, but some of them are. I remember the UPS being there for real. Oh, the sun looks so good on me. Oh, it's all coming back now. I'm gonna head into my appointment area and just sit down and wait. First of all, I need to figure out how I'm going to get into the building. I'm a explorer at heart, very brave individual. Sometimes a little too brave. I remember the vortex. No, this is exciting because the place is so much more developed. That's the word. When I was here, it wasn't as developed, but now it's like, wow. Hi, I'm good.
Are we checking in?
Yeah, I have a 2:30 appointment.
And the name on the reservation?
Rainicia Simmons.
I like that. That's pretty.
Thank you.
And did you need to use the restroom before your service?
Well, yeah, perhaps, yeah.
It's gonna be right behind you. Let me check if you have. You can go to the bathroom. I'm gonna check if you have any intake forms.
I'm in the bathroom. In here smells good. I gotta empty the tank. I gotta empty it. They're doing a test. They fancy though. They got water, you got Wi-Fi, you got fruits. Oh, they got Chardonnay in here and Moscato. That was so good. Thank you.
I'm glad you feel better.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm floating.
Alright. Well, if you don't have to rush, you can just sit down and relax.
Okay, I just need to use the restroom. Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh, this is lovely. Oh my gosh. That was one of the best massages that I've ever had in my life. So this is another, I can't even talk, y'all. My eyes can't even open. This is another lounge area. This is beautiful. Wow. That is so cool. It was awesome. Thank you. Can I do the tip in cash and pay on a card? So this is for Monica. Thank you so much. All right, bye. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. I just got a burger, no fries or anything. I look like I need to take a nap. I was drifting when I got off the bed. I did a 90-minute deep tissue massage. That was 90 minutes and it still felt so short. That's how good it was. I could do a 2-hour massage, to be honest. She really got all my pressure points. My neck, my back was stiff, my knee. She really did that. So shout out to Monica at, what's the name of the spa? If you guys are in Atlanta and you're looking for a massage studio or a really good masseuse, Monica is that woman. Check her out. Question, 5 guys don't offer the double burgers anymore? Or is it something you have to ask for? The double pate or even the Is this a double? No. So I got a bacon cheeseburger all the way. Why did the bun feel cold? The bun is cold. Why can't give me cold buns? The bun is cold. What the hell? The bun is cold. I feel to just take off this bun. That turned me all the way off, guys. I mean, it still tastes good, but the bun is cold. Like out the fridge cold. He didn't toast the bun. If you only had one job, and you messed it up. How you mess up a burger? If the bun wasn't cold, it would have tasted even better. It's just how the beef tastes with cheese and mushrooms and the bacon, the tomato and the lettuce. Call me a burger. Maybe I was a burger in my past life. You guys see how I feel about burgers. What is one food that is your guilty pleasure? Something that you order almost everywhere you go if you don't really see anything that you like. Like if I'm going to a place that serves junk food, a burger is my top pick. It used to be pizza at one point, with the cheese, the dairy, acne, breakouts, hormones, can't do that. And then it was wings, but the bones, the chewing, the mess, yeah, can't do that. I mean, yeah, boneless chicken, but boneless chicken doesn't give the same vibe as the bone-in chicken. You know what I mean? I never really used to like burgers, that's the thing. But since I couldn't really eat pizza anymore like that, I guess this was the next best thing for me. It is hitting though. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry, because I did work out for 2 hours today. Lifted heavy, so the muscles are hungry. They're screaming. I'll give it an 8. Yeah, out of 10. And a solid 8. If you love burgers like me, let me know. I need to find my people. Are you my people? If you're not, it's okay, but are you my people? They didn't even put no napkins in the bag. Was I supposed to get them myself? I don't remember seeing any napkins. The beef patty itself tastes really good. Not too chewy or hard. Juicy. Flavorful. I saw that the apartment complex offered a free yoga class. While I was in the gym, I saw the signage and I was like, okay, let's try this out later if I was in the mood. And I'm happy that I did. Here's a little bit of the experience. I haven't done yoga in such a long time. I've probably done yoga like once or twice in my life.
So we have some new people. We've been a little advanced. So for the new people, don't get scared because we've been doing this for some time. So we're trying to build on our practice. Again, just take it as you need. Don't need to go push yourself too far. Inhale, cow pose, drop your belly, gaze forward, slow on your back. Exhale, cat, round and curl. Inhale, kick your foot back, so your chin towards the mat. Inhale, shift forward, bring your chin towards the mat. Chin to the mat. 3, 2, 1. Open up the jaw, peanut butter. So your chin towards your collarbone, so that release. Release your palms to the mat, toes of your feet. Exhale, down the face it off. One more. Twist. So come rise forward and ceiling. You can reach your palm forward. Alright, release forward. And 1. Lower down. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Lifting the other. Yeah, see, look at that. We never brought here. There we go. Just like even in your everyday life, like if something doesn't go out in the morning, you don't even make space for the rest of the day to go good because you're already like moving it out. So just make space for the positivity because the positivity can't come if you don't create space for it. So have a great rest of your Tuesday. Make sure you sign up for the QR code. I won't be here, but come to Pilates on Thursday. Maybe we'll take it outside next week if you want.